Here's a quick video of my 1996 GMC Suburban 1500 SLT. It's got the 5.7 Vortec motor, 163,000 miles. It's got good Oregon clean title and tags. It's great tires, good tread. Comes with these nice running boards. It's the SLT package. All the tires are like new. It's got the barn doors. There's a little minor damage right here on the fender flare. It looks like somebody JB welded it, like glued it, and then just did some touch-up paint. It's all there though, it's fine. These tires are like new. We're gonna start with the barn door. Okay, there's the barn doors. I really like that it has all the original floor mats. And here you have your jacks. It comes with the original BF tire and cover. Here's your third row. And it's GMC truck, which is a classic. So, door panels are all nice. All the windows and lights and speakers, everything works. Nice center console. Little storage. Cup holder. The original floor mats down here. Carpet's clean. So you just press down here. This is the third row here. I can move the headrest and make the seat go flat, and then it's got the little storage flap that you can fold down. The only thing is I saw that the knobs were missing right here for the rear air, but you have your own controls up here. Alright, moving to the driver's side here. Got power windows, locks, and mirrors. $163, $188. That's it, guys. Everything works. You got your lights right here that work. Turn them off. This is your cruise control. Your windows. Everything works. Blinkers. Over here's your 4x4 on the fly. Just switch it like that and you're good. Once you go into drive, then it locks in. Okay, then I just go back to 2 high. And boom. Radio works fine. The air conditioner blows super cold and the heat blows super hot. It's got a CD player. Nice storage here. This is your map holder. Little storage. Got the original change holder down here. You got the cigarette lighter, 2 outlets. Ashtray in here. I have the title. All the original owner's manuals. The DEQ and registration just passed. It's got good tags. Tire receipts. Call it a Yukon Suburban because that's what they changed the name to, the GMC. Chevy made a Suburban and GMC at the same time, and then they switch. Cool little cup holders up here. All the windows work. Okay. The mirrors all work. And thanks. And here's the nice little carpet. It's just very clean. Everything about this vehicle.